Dubai's New Year's Eve 2026 celebration is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious ever staged, with the city planning 48 fireworks displays across 40 iconic locations to welcome 2026, a significant increase from previous years and designed to give visitors and residents spectacular views no matter where they are in the Emirate, from towering skyscrapers to beachfront promenades, malls, and outdoor plazas. The centerpiece remains the Burj Khalifa fireworks and light show, branded by organizers as the brightest show on Earth, which integrates pyrotechnics, laser choreography, and synchronized lighting across the world's tallest building. This flagship spectacle involves tens of thousands of pyrotechnics launched from hundreds of positions and from more than 2,800 locations on and around the tower structure, a meticulously planned display designed to be visible from miles away and broadcast globally via official live streams for those who cannot attend in person. From late afternoon into the night, downtown Dubai becomes a hive of activity, with public access areas opening early and road closures in place to manage crowds safely. It's widely recommended to arrive many hours before midnight and use public transit like the metro, which runs extended hours during the event. Surrounding the Burj Khalifa's fireworks are multi-point LED, laser, and light projections across adjacent structures, creating a cinematic skyline choreography that evolves toward the midnight countdown, often underscored by specially composed musical themes that amplify the holiday spirit. Complementing the fireworks is the Dubai Fountain Show in front of the Burj Khalifa, the world's largest choreographed water feature with thousands of powerful jets and lights which will be synchronized to the fireworks and tower lighting, adding another dynamic sensory layer to the spectacle. Although the fountain underwent renovation earlier in 2025 with enhancements to lighting, sound, and choreography, it is expected to feature prominently in the New Year display with specially curated music and water patterns that match the celebratory theme. The fountain's renovation timeline was reported to conclude before the winter season, so it's set to be operational by NYE. The Sun. Beyond Burj Khalifa, Dubai's light and drone shows have become a standalone attraction, both as part of the official Dubai Shopping Festival, DSF, celebrations leading up to New Year and in their own right on NYE. DSF aerial displays featuring advantages in drone technology with brighter, faster, and more complex formations take place nightly in the days before December 31st over areas such as Blue Waters Island and the beach, typically at designated times like 8 p.m. and 10 p.m., and include bold patterns, festive imagery, and thematic sequences that blend artistry with advanced UAV choreography. These shows help build momentum in the countdown to midnight and allow families and visitors to enjoy sky art well before the fireworks begin. On New Year's Eve itself, drone shows become part of the core celebration. While Dubai doesn't officially brand a single Emirates airline drone show like some corporate-sponsored sequences seen in other events, it does host what's billed as the region's largest narrative aerial drone show over blue waters and the beach, supported by DSF partners, that combines illuminated formations, transitions, and special effects and, in some segments, incorporates fiery visual elements and dramatic transitions that evoke the scale and innovation associated with large sponsored tech productions.